Hello everyone, welcome to Top Compared. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the right tennis racket can completely transform your game. From powerful serves to spin-loaded rallies, having the right gear is essential. With so many rackets on the market, finding the perfect one for your playing style can be overwhelming. That's why we've shortlisted the top 5 best tennis rackets that offer the ideal balance of power, control, and comfort. All product links are given in the description, so be sure to check them out for the best deals and more info. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Yonex E-Zone 100. Best for power and comfort design. Unique isometric head shape for a larger sweet spot. Features vibration dampening mesh, 300-gram weight, and 100 square inches head size. Best for players who want comfort without sacrificing power. Pros: smooth feel, solid power, and great for all-court play. The Yonex E-Zone 100 is a great choice if you're looking for effortless power and arm-friendly performance. At number 4, we have the Wilson Blade 98 V9. Best for precision and control design. Sleek matte finish with bold green details. Features stable feel technology, tighter 16x20 string pattern. Best for competitive players who rely on control and feel. Pros: surgical accuracy, excellent stability, and a modern control frame. If you're someone who likes to place the ball exactly where you want, the Blade 98 is built for you. Next up is the Head Speed MP, best all-rounder racket design. Aerodynamic with an asymmetric frame design. Features auxetic technology, 100 square inches head size, and balanced weight. Best for players who want a mix of control, spin, and power. Pros: smooth swings, great feedback, versatile across all styles. Whether you're rallying, serving, or volleying, this one adapts to your game with ease. Coming in at number 2 is the Babolat Pure Aero. Best for spin design, aerodynamic frame with a bold yellow-black finish. Features FSI spin string pattern, Cortex Pure feel for comfort. Best for spin-heavy baseliners and aggressive shot makers. Pros: massive spin potential, solid power, and good control. Made famous by Rafael Nadal, the Pure Aero gives you the edge on topspin heavy shots and baseline rallies. And finally, at number 1, we have the Babolat Pure Drive. Best overall racket design, iconic blue frame, known for its pop and power. Features HTR system for responsiveness, SWX Pure feel for comfort. Best for all-level players who want explosive power with forgiveness. Pros: big sweet spot, excellent for serves, reliable on every shot. The Pure Drive is a consistent bestseller for a reason. It balances power, feel, and versatility like no other. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best tennis rackets available right now. Which one are you planning to try? Let us know in the comments below. All the links to these rackets are in the description. Make sure to check for the best deals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more top gear picks.